Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about navbar routes using data APIs. So we spoke about navbar routes in our browser router, that is nothing but the component APIs. But now I'll show you how this navbar works in our data APIs. So already I have discussed how to use a layouting structure in our data APIs. On top of that, we will be having all different types of navbars, that is pre-login and the post-login and how they work. So if you want to clearly understand, please watch my previous videos for better understanding. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. So here in my previous video, I shown you how the layouts works. Now what I will show you is, let me go into app.js. This is my pre-login and the post-login. So if you see here, this is my pre-login, and inside this pre-login, I have some set of children. And here, this is my post-login, and this has some set of children. Now what I want to do is, I want to create two different navigations for this particular UI. So what I'll do is, I'll just go here and create some set of navbar components. So let me go into new folder called as navbars. And inside this navbar, I'll create one file called as prelogin nav.jsx, and also let me create a new file called as post login nav.jsx, and here rfce, hit this, and here also rfce and hit tab. So now we have created two specific nav bars. Now what I want to do is I want to make all these navigations over here. So what I'll do, I'll just create a H3 for this to identify whether the navigation is rendering or not. First, I'll do such things as a static data, copy this and put it over here, and then this is something like post login nav. Let me save this. Now these two are the components which we have to integrate wherever we require. But I require this at the layouting structure. Why? Because the post login navigation should be handled with this component, and the pre-login navigation should be handled with this component. So that's why what I'll do is I'll integrate this as a common code for each and every route before login, that is pre-login layout. Let me go into pre-login layout, and inside this pre-login layout, this is my common place where I can use my navigation component, and let me do something like this and save this. Now the layouting is already configured. Hence, whenever I use login or a register route, then it automatically goes here and it will render H3, and then it will render the navigation bar, and then it will render the actual component as a placeholder value. So let me go here, and you can see I'm in login. So you are able to see the pre-login, and then you are able to see the login, but where is the navigation? So let me try to see that where we are getting that navigation. If you see here, we have pre-login now, but there is only pre-login. Why? Because this navigation is triggered in our post login. Let's check that post login in our app.jsx. It is pre-login. It's not post login. So that is the reason you are not able to see. Let me cut this and put it inside our pre-login. So this is my pre-login, and let me import this particular nav component and save this. Now you go here, you can see pre-login, which is a layout. Let me differentiate that by using a layout suffix and go here. You can see this is my app component, this is my layout component, and this is my nav component, and this is the actual route whatever we are seeing over here, that is login. And now what I'll do is I'll give two set of navigations over here. One is the link tag I'll use, and this link tag I have discussed in my previous videos. For now, I will explain you what this link will do. It is an alternative for your anchor tag, which will be given by our React Router DOM. So we have to import it from React Router DOM. And here there is a property called as to, where you want to navigate. I want to navigate to login when I click on this particular link. So I'll use login and save this. And in the same way, I'll create one more link, but with a space called as nbsp, and I'll give something called as register. So this both are present in my pre-login navigation. So let me use register and save this. Now go here. You can see login and the register. When I click on register, you can see here nothing is changed on the top. Only the below one is getting changed. These all things are in common. So let me click on login. You can see login and register. And if you see here, nothing is refreshed. That indicates this is a single page application and the content alone is managed based on your route. When I click on login, login, register and register. So we are done with our pre-login navigation part. And if I go into post login, you will not see this navigation. So let me go into post login, that is dashboard. When I see the dashboard, you are not able to see the previous navigation, whatever we configured for the pre-login layout. Now we will configure for the post login layout. So let me go into post login layout, that is nothing but navigation bar, and inside this navigation bar let me give a link tag for my dashboard. And also let me copy this and in BSP, and let me give one more link here called as products. So I'll create these products now and I'll add one more route for my post login. And here the to attribute indicates slash dashboard where I have to navigate. I have to navigate into the dashboard. So I have one more to property where we can give something called as products and save this. As of now, we don't have a configuration for products. So what I'll do is I'll create one more folder called as products. New folder and products. Inside this products, I'll create a file called as products.jsx, and inside this RFCE and save this, and I'll make this as H4 or H5. H5, and this is nothing but products. That is nothing but a list of products. I want to see the list of products only once the user logged in. So that's why these products will be inside our post login. That means once the user successfully logs in, we will see this products. So what I'll do is I'll add one more route here, that is nothing but the path, where the path is products, and when I click these products I have to get an element, and that element is nothing but this products, and save this. Now you are able to see the products whenever you click on a products link. So you can go here and nothing is visible because we have not integrated the navigation inside our post login. So let me go into post login, and here I'll integrate something called as post login nav and save this. Now this navigation will be common for all my post login layout routes. So let me go here and you can see the dashboard and products. When I click on products, the products is launched. When I click on dashboard, dashboard is launched. So that is how you can differentiate and you can create a separate layouts for post login and pre login, so that your common code will be distributed and it will be standalone only for a particular layout. So that is how you are seeing only a specific navigation on a specific layout. So this helps you to differentiate before login and after login and to maintain the code which is common for both of them. Hope this gave you a glance of understanding how to navigate from one place to another place and how to configure your navigation and the common code within the layout. And also you can differentiate the components between the post login layout and the pre login layout. Here I gave a layouting structure for post login and pre login. This is a very common layouting structure, but if you want to go with a complex layouting structure also you can do it by using our data APIs. And also in the upcoming video we will go more crazy of these products and more nested components. Along with that we will maintain lot of common codes and different types of layouts we will be creating. So that we will discuss in the upcoming videos. For now, there is one problem in this code. Whenever I'm in the dashboard is not highlighted. Whenever I'm in the products is not highlighted. And in the same way, when I go into login, login is not highlighted. When I go to register, register is not highlighted. That we will fix in the upcoming videos by using a nav link element given by React Router DOM in our data APIs. Hope this gave you a glance of understanding, and that's it for this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.